everyone, on today's tutorial we will be learning how to make a slip knot, a foundation chain, a single crochet stitch, and also how to fasten off. We're going to start off by making a slip knot. So you want to take 2 fingers, wrap your yarn around, pull this yarn up, grab onto this yarn, and pull down. And there you go. There you have a slip knot. Let's try that one more time. Take 2 fingers, wrap your yarn around, pull up on this yarn, grab onto this one, and pull. And there you have your slip knot. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to make a chain of 10. So we start by making a chain with doing a yarn over and pull your hook through. That's one chain. That's yarn over and pull your hook through. Yarn over and pull your hook through. Yarn over and pull your hook. So right now we have a chain of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you don't count the yarn that's on your hook. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's our foundation chain. Now, to start our single crochet, we are going to insert our hook into the second chain, yarn under, pull your hook through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. That's one single crochet. So let's see that again. You insert your hook into the chain, yarn under, pull your hook through, yarn over, pull your hook through 2 loops. And again, hook through the chain, yarn under, pull your hook through, yarn over, hook through both loops. And continue doing this till you get to the end of the chain. Hook through. Now we're coming to the end of our chain. We'll make our last stitch here. Now, for the next row, we are going to chain 1. Then we're going to turn our work around. Okay, so it'll look like this. Now we're going to insert our hook in here into our stitch, yarn under, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's one stitch. Let's see that again. It's yarn through, yarn under, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn under, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you just continue on down the row. And that's how you do a single crochet. And single crochet can be used for many different things. I enjoy making stuffies mostly, and also other projects like blankets, hats, purses, many things. There's so many things you can do with just one simple single crochet stitch. And now we've come to the end of our row. Now, to fasten off, when we're finished our project, we will cut our yarn, leaving a tail, and yarn over and pull through. And that will make a little knot to finish. And we weave in this tail so we don't get any loose ends. To weave in, I usually do back about 3 stitches. And there you can just cut your yarn, and that's it. That's how you do single crochet. And you can also weave in your ends of your beginning tail here. So I think that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more stitch tutorials and cute plushie tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.